So we are going to clear our energy, or the mental blocks, which are really not letting us have or get that money which we want. So keep money with you before we start the session. Don't forget. It's okay, Shabirji. I know y'all are in Bombay. So it's okay. We just and that is why I kept a bit late also today the session, because I wanted to even other people can attend, who wants to attend. Today being Sunday, people get up late, and today we have a session of Ho'oponopono prayer for money. So let's join our hands, close our eyes.
Sorry, we were awake since as normal, but
Okay.
like morning with all relatives around, morning chatting went on for a minute or two extra.
No, it's okay. And that is why 5:45 also I messaged, when I finished writing my gratitude, I just messaged, that today reminder 7 o'clock the class is there. Like, just close your eyes. Take a deep breath in. Just mute yourself, Tasneem.
Yeah.
Take a deep breath in and out. Take a deep breath in and out. Take a deep breath in and out. Thank you, universe, for this divine time. Thank you, universe, for the divine nature. Thank you, universe, for all that you are showering on us. Thank you, universe, for all the abundance which we are getting now. Thank you, universe, for giving us the strength to get up early and be there in the morning for these sessions. Thank you, universe, for guiding us to go within, to get what we really need outside in our lives. Thank you, universe, for guiding us that we need to look inside to get what we want outside. Thank you, universe, for creating that energy in us and giving that strength and the stamina to get up in the morning and be there for the sessions. Thank you for guiding me, making me a channel of blessings. Let me deliver what I need to. I speak and learn. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. So let's open our eyes. So today I had planned to take a recap of the sessions of the chapters which we have finished. But today, then since we are having Ho'oponopono practice, I will not be doing that. What we will do is we'll go directly to our chapter first so that we finish fast and we are able to do Ho'oponopono for money. Okay. So yesterday's practice was what? Who will tell me? What was yesterday's practice? What we did? What was the chapter? Here it is.
Before your eyes.
Before your eyes. Very good. Tasneem ma'am. What is before your eyes was? That
It is
your
actually to make the desire list to fulfill and carry it wherever you go.
yes. Okay, so before your eyes has two meanings, that you carry your desire everywhere you go. So it is in front of your eyes. And second thing, if you go to see the meaning, what you want is just before your eyes. It is just that you have to create that energy or that frequency to reach there. Okay. The magical air that you breathe. See the picture. See the air on the trees and how magic it is to have air. So today's chapter is about air. Tell me one thing. How many of you, feel that air is important? How many of you feel that air
Yes,
is important?
I feel air is very important
Important. Why?
because without that we cannot survive.
Okay. So this air which we breathe, it is giving us what? Oxygen, right? It is giving us oxygen, right?
Yes,
Now, if we don't have air, what will happen? Very difficult to survive, right?
we will suffocate.
Yes, so today's chapter is like how we need to be grateful. We have never thought in our lives, that air, air can bring us so much of magic, air can give us life. We never think about it that we are getting free oxygen. And when we go to the hospital, we have to pay for that oxygen, right? So we are getting free, but we are not realizing the value of that, right? So whenever you go out, try to feel, early in the morning, when you get up at around 3:34, like Brahma Murat Amrit Vela, when you go at that time out, you will see and you just breathe that air. You will find a very nice smell, in that. Very nice smell. And imagine who spreads this smell. Obviously,
Universe,
right?
universe.
Yes, it's universe. So universe is working in a very nice way, but we are not alert. We are not aware. We have to come into that awareness to understand. So it is quite possible to leave your home for a walk in the early morning air and return a different person, beguiled and enchanted. Means what? Um, you go in the morning and you feel very fresh, right? When you come back. If someone had told me a few years back to be grateful for the air that I breathe, I would have thought the person was crazy. It wouldn't have made a bit of sense to me. Why on the earth would anyone be grateful for the air they breathe? So, do you think that if anyone tells you that be grateful for the air, we would have done that before? We have never done, right? We have never realized that air is an important element for us to live. But as my life changed from using gratitude, the things that I took for granted or didn't give a second thought about became an absolute miracle to me. तो जो like whatever things I was thinking, जो भी चीजें मेरे पास थी, उसका मैंने वैल्यू ही नहीं किया. I went from sweating the small stuff in my little world and day to day life to opening my eyes and thinking about the bigger picture and wonder of the universe. So she's saying that I just went, कि अब मेरा daily routine हो रहा है, मैं काम कर रही हूँ, मैं काम कर रहा हूँ, I'm going here and there, बस वही हो रहा है. But I am not looking to the miracles what are there in the universe. So as a great scientist, Newton said, when I took the solar system, when I look at the solar system, I see the Earth at the right distance from the Sun to receive the proper amounts of heat and light. This does not happen by chance. So, see, what did Newton say? When I look at the solar system, I see the Earth at the right distance from the Sun to receive the proper amounts of heat and light. This did not happen by chance. So, imagine if Sun would have been more closer to the Earth. क्या होता था अगर सूरज जो है अगर धरती के करीब होता तो सब कुछ जल जाता था बहुत ज्यादा और अगर दूर होता तो अपनी धरती पे सिर्फ बर्फ ही बर्फ होती थी राइट तो सी यूनिवर्स हैज प्लेस्ड एवरीथिंग यानी हर चीज को उसकी जगह पे इस तरीके से फिट किया है यूनिवर्स ने दैट वी हैव नॉट सीन वी आर नॉट सीइंग ऑल दीज थिंग्स हमको ये चीजें दिख ही नहीं रही है so, as a great scientist, he said these words. Those words made me think more and more bigger about the bigger picture. It's not an accident that there's a protective atmosphere surrounding us, and that beyond it, there's no air or oxygen. Imagine Earth has a surrounding, right? Of atmosphere. Otherwise, literally, we would have not been able to live. It's not an, I think we all have learned this in the school. हमने सबने ये सीखा है, right? It's not an accident that the trees give off oxygen so that our atmosphere is continually replenished. Imagine if the trees would have not taken carbon dioxide and given oxygen, अपने एटमॉस्फेयर में कितना पोल्यूशन रहता था, वी वुड हैव नॉट बीन एबल टू ब्रीद, हम सांस ही नहीं ले पाते थे. It's not an accident that a solar system is perfectly placed, and that if it were anywhere else in the galaxy, we would most likely to be devastated by cosmic radiation. There are thousands of parameters and ratios that support life on the Earth. All of them are on the knife edge, and their fine tuning is so critical that a fraction of a difference in any of these parameters and the ratios would make life unlivable on the planet Earth. So she's saying that everything in the universe, is so nicely placed that you would have never thought कि ये चीजें हो सकती है. एंड अगर एक भी चीज का थोड़ा सा भी डिफरेंस होता, देन इट वुड हैव बीन रियली रियली डिफिकल्ट, बिकॉज ये जो ब्रह्मांड है, ये जो यूनिवर्स है, वो इस तरीके से होता ही नहीं और हमारे लिए जीना मुश्किल हो जाता. सो इमेजिन, जो यूनिवर्स अपने लिए इतना इतनी चीजें उसने हर तरीके से इतनी अच्छी बनाई है कि हमको कोई तकलीफ नहीं हो. हम वही यूनिवर्स पे भरोसा नहीं करते हैं कि वो हमको कुछ देगा जब हम मांगते हैं, राइट? वी डोंट हैव दैट बिलीव कि ही इज गोइंग टू, लाइक द यूनिवर्स इज गोइंग टू गिव अस. जब उसने हमारे लिए इतनी सारी चीजें क्रिएट की हुई है कि हम इतने आराम से जी पा रहे हैं, तो जो हमको चाहिए वो क्यों नहीं देगा, राइट? So it is difficult to believe any of these things could have happened by accident. It would seem that they are perfectly designed, perfectly placed, perfectly balanced for us. सब perfect किया है universe ने अपने लिए. When the realization hits you that all of these things might not be an accident, and that the balance of every microscopic element surrounding Earth and on Earth is in perfect harmony to support us, you will feel an overwhelming sense of gratitude for life, because all of it has been done to sustain you. Okay, so each thing, each small thing has been fit into such a lovely thing that अगर ये चीजें नहीं होती अर्थ में, okay, or we would have not been able to live. And imagine Earth is the only planet where there is human life, right? The magical air that you breathe is not by an accident or a fluke of nature. When you think about the enormousness of what had to take place in the universe for us to have had air, and then you take a breath, breathing air into your body becomes breathtaking in every sense of word. So she is saying that it's not this thing that it has happened by incident or accident. Sorry, by accident. The magical air जो हम breathe कर रहे हैं वो उसके लिए है कि because God wanted it to be that way. So suppose if you now feel कि it is like we say जादुई हवा है, यानी if air would have not been there, I would have not been able to breathe. So the moment now when you go out, just take 5 breaths. So let's do it. Sit straight and take a deep breath in, okay? And every time you're breathing, you're going to say thank you, air. 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 How many of you, when you have traveled, have you been there out and you have noticed the air and you have taken a good like breath like? How many of you? How many of you feel that? Answer me, come on, unmute yourself and tell me ki whenever you go out, have you felt that air before you came into this journey?
No.
No, right?
No.
You
No.
have never thought about, feeling that air,
Well,
Yeah. So when I started into this journey, and then when I used to travel out, बाहर जब हम जाते हैं ना, just put your hand out, feel that breeze on your hand, look at the nature. The nature has so many things, and you will get so many things to know new things. When you will observe it, with your complete sense, because we are so much into the thought. Yes, Shabir ji.
well, I would like to have a difference. I did always, wherever I went to a new place, I always had means it starts out like taking a deep breath and say, wow, so different out here, for example, like you take in that breath of fresh air. I always have felt that. So that's what I would like to share. Now, for example, I'm in Bombay today. First thing I did was say, wow, back to Mumbai. Mumbai की हवा में जो मजा है अलग है. So Pune has its own flavor. Mumbai has its own flavor. So that's the way I enjoy.
Very good. Very nice. So that is, we have to be thankful. So we take one breath after another and never give a thought to the fact that there is always air for us to breathe. फ्री में एयर मिल रहा है, फ्री में ऑक्सीजन मिल रहा है. एक सांस लेते हैं ऑक्सीजन अंदर, दूसरी सांस लेते हैं ऑक्सीजन अंदर, और वही चीज के लिए हमको हॉस्पिटल में जाके पैसे भरने पड़ते हैं.
मारिया जी,
यस.
मैं साबिर जी से एग्री हूँ. जैसे मैं कल नेकलेस पॉइंट पे था पुणे में,
ओके.
तो वहाँ पे एक बहुत अच्छी पहाड़ी है, अच्छी हवाएं है. तो जब हम वो महसूस करते थे तब रियलाइज होता है कि कोरोना के टाइम पे जो ऑक्सीजन का सिलेंडर 20 kg का लगभग 50,000 के ऊपर ब्लैक में मिलता था. तो वो चीजें है जब, लेकिन वो जैसे उन्होंने कहा कि हम जैसे नई जगह पे जाते हैं, तो नई जगह हो या पहाड़ी की जगह हो, तो वहां पे ज्यादा वो एयर का महसूस करना आता है. अदरवाइज सिटी में रहेंगे तो एयर महसूस ही नहीं होगी, पोल्यूटेड एयर लगेगी.
राइट.
तो यहाँ अर्ली मॉर्निंग भी वो महसूस होती है. जैसे पुणे का सासवड़ एरिया है, पहाड़ी एरिया में वो एयर का वैल्यू ज्यादा अच्छा लगता है.
ट्रू. और जब हम पहाड़ी में जाते हैं तो वहां की हवा का अंदाज ही कुछ अलग होता है, यानी वो फीलिंग ही अलग होती है जब हम वो हवा लेते हैं. एंड वही हवा अगर हम जब जहाँ रह रहे हैं वहां लेते हैं वो डिफरेंट होती है. सो इमेजिन
यस.
हवा कितना इम्पोर्टेंट है, राइट? Yet, oxygen is one of the most plentiful elements in our body. And as we breathe, it fills every cell in our body so that we can continue to live. The most precious gift of our life is air, right? अगर एयर नहीं हो, अगर हम ब्रीद ही नहीं कर पाए, इमेजिन जिनको कोई इश्यू हो जाता है, हेल्थ में ब्रेकडाउन हो जाता है. इमेजिन एक छोटा सा एग्जांपल से समझो कि जब हमको सर्दी होती है, राइट, व्हाट हैपेंस? जब हमको सर्दी होती है हम ब्रीद नहीं कर पाते हैं. हु कैन टेल मी, अपना एक्सपीरियंस बोलिए कि जब सर्दी होती है और अगर नाक ब्लॉक हो जाता है, व्हाट हैपेंस? एनीवन?
You feel so suffocating,
Yes.
claustrophobic,
Yes.
like your chest is heavy. Huh?
Yes.
Your body yearns for oxygen.
Yes.
And what not you do? You take steam and
Yes.
next
Right.
15 minutes में after someone will say, try this also. Arey, I will do that also.
Yes.
And
See,
you do 10 different things in 5 minutes to get, rid of that blockage. So you get absolutely as if you're in a band
Yes.
room में बंद हो,
Yes, because you're not able to breathe. The oxygen is not reaching the cells of your body. So whole body energy goes down. And you are ready to do anything, what, like how you shared, like steam, anything, anyone says, ये कर लो, ये balm लगा लो, ये use कर लो. We are ready to do that because oxygen ही नहीं मिल रहा है body को. Because nose block है. So remember, nose, your lungs, air, how important they are for us, right? When I first began to use gratitude's magical power, I used it for a lot of personal things that I wanted. So यहाँ पे अभी बताया जा रहा है कि हम एयर को यूज करके अपना ड्रीम्स, अपनी कोई चीजें कैसे मैनिफेस्ट कर सकते हैं. एंड इट वर्कड. But it was when I began to be grateful for the real gifts in life that I experienced the ultimate power of gratitude. Okay. So she's saying that when I started understanding the real power of air, I began to be grateful for the real gifts in the life and I experienced the ultimate power of gratitude. The more grateful I became for sunset, a tree, the ocean, the dew on the grass, my life, and the people in every material thing I ever dreamt of having poured down upon me, I now understand the reason why it happened that way. So she became very grateful for everything, and she realized that now she is getting more and more. When we can feel truly grateful for the precious gifts of the life and nature, like the magical air that we breathe, we have reached one of the deepest possible levels of gratitude. So, see, till the 22nd practices, we were like those practices after the first 12 practices were helping you to get your dreams. Now, today, these practices taking us to the more higher level. We are leveling up now. सो वेरी स्मॉलेस्ट थिंग, हम हवा को बहुत छोटी चीज समझते हैं, बट थ्रू द एयर आप अपनी ड्रीम्स को कैसे मैनिफेस्ट कर सकते हो इफ यू आर ग्रेटफुल, अगर आपने पहले से उसके लिए ग्रेटिट्यूड किया। अब आज हम सीख रहे तो ऐसा नहीं कि हवा मुझे ये दे दो, हवा मुझे वो दे दो, नहीं। फर्स्ट यू हैव टू बी ग्रेटफुल, फर्स्ट जस्ट बी वेरी वेरी थैंकफुल फॉर इट, ओके। Go in the fresh air, go to a park, go outside, go for a walk. When you start walking, just be very thankful for the air. Just say thank you, जादुई हवा, thank you. Because वो हवा एक जादू वाली हवा है, जो आप समझ जाओ कि अगर हमको नहीं मिली तो हमारे लिए डिफिकल्ट हो जाएगा, राइट? यस शब्बीर जी।
I just would like to add, I regularly do my breathing exercises in the morning,
ओके।
regularly. Now, I don't know how many of us might be doing from this session, but I've stuck to simple basic breathing exercises. There are 5 different breathing exercises. Believe you me, at the end of this 5 completion of the 5 exercises, which takes me around 15-20 minutes, okay, approximately, there's a different sort of energy in me.
राइट।
Different sort of energy. Urja bolte hain na, urja. And I always tell my wife, I said, yeah, so I don't know what happens, but after that 15-20 minutes, you come back and you sit down. There, you are totally charged. Thanks. I think so that air from which we take in concentrated effect, totally concentrating to take in it, the body is getting toned and used to squeeze in whatever you're breathing in, and it goes to each and every cell of your body. So I'm just relating with what we are just reading. That's the reason I'm disturbing you and breaking your rhythm of conversation. So my apologies for
it's
that.
okay. Like, I mean, it's really useful. I know, because when you do pranayam, it's like amazing. It really changes your whole, level of what you say, level of being, you have a different experience with that. So I agree, because see, now we realize we never said thank you to the air, When I had done, this, when I was into this journey, तो मुझे ऐसे लगता था, अरे यार मैंने तो कभी ये सोचा ही नहीं, राइट? कि हवा भी अपने लिए इतनी यूजफुल है। हम तो ये सोचते हैं मिल रही है, चलो लो भाई। बट कितनी इंपॉर्टेंट है वो लाइफ के लिए। आपका कोई पैसा, कोई चीज आपको वो हवा नहीं लाके दे सकती है, राइट? यू हैव टू पे मनी, यू हैव टू पे मनी फॉर इट। सो अभी से अपने लंग्स, अपने नोज, अपने योर ब्रीदिंग, एवरीथिंग, योर रेस्पिरेटरी सिस्टम, बी वेरी थैंकफुल फॉर इट। each and every body part of your organs should be, you should be thankful for it, that they're working properly. I'm telling you ना, मैं अपॉटी में भी जाती तो ऐसे थैंक यू फॉर माई एक्सक्रीटरी सिस्टम। वाई? बिकॉज इट इज हेल्पिंग यू टू रिमूव ऑल द डर्ट, इट इज हेल्पिंग यू टू रिमूव ऑल द टॉक्सिन्स। तो वो अपना काम तो कर रहा है ना, तो हमने उसको इसके लिए भी थैंक यू बोलना है, राइट? So when we breathe, when we can feel truly grateful for the precious gifts of life and nature, like the magical air we breathe, we have reached one of the deepest possible levels of gratitude. And whoever has the depth of gratitude will receive absolute abundance. See here what underline these lines. And whoever has the depth of gratitude, जो गहराई से शुक्रगुजार होगा, उसको और दिया जाएगा. That person is going to get more and more, right? I'll tell you, even if you see example of Gautam Buddha. Gautam Buddha used to go and meditate, in the fresh air. He used to sit in the under the tree. Because now when I had gone to Bangkok, I visited they had taken us to the Buddha temple, and there was that boat tree and all, so they were explaining everything, where he used to sit there and do the meditation and all. So why do you think ये जो लोग जो meditation करते हैं वो हवा में जाके करते हैं, घर में रूम में बंद होके क्यों नहीं कर सकते? There might be something, right? That air, that freshness, that calmness, that coolness comes from there, right? And when you, especially summer season, आप वो सिर्फ ये imagine करो summer season. If there is no air, what happens? So God and universe has created and weaved. अब हमारे लिए इतनी सारी चीजें abundance में दी हुई है, इतनी सारी चीजें, बट हमने कभी उस नजरिए से उसको देखा ही नहीं है. So today, stop and think about the glorious air that you breathe. Take 5 deliberate breaths and feel the feeling of the air moving inside your body and feel the joy of breathing it out. Take 5 full breaths in and out and 5 different times today. So this is your practice today. In a day, 5 बार आपको breathe करना है 5 times. Take it out and say thank you. Be very thankful कि आपके पास ये हवा है. And after you have taken each set of 5 breaths, say the magic words, thank you for the magical air that I breathe. So आपको बोलना है thank you for the magical air that I breathe. And be genuinely grateful as you can for the precious life-giving air that you breathe. And the best possible thing is that you take, जब आप हवा अंदर लेते हो तो आपका स्टमक बाहर आना चाहिए, और जब आप हवा छोड़ते हो तो आपका स्टमक अंदर जाना चाहिए. दिस इज द राइट वे. एंड आपको पता है कि बहुत सारे लोग जो है वो हवा टू दिस टेक्निक, दैट इज बैलेंसिंग द चक्रास एंड डूइंग दिस, दे आर गेटिंग more and more of oxygen, and they are also manifesting many things to this. So it is best if you can do this magical practice outside so that you get, तो जितनी बार आप बाहर जाओ, नहीं होता है तो balcony में चले जाओ, feel and appreciate the magnificence of the fresh air. But if that's not possible, then do it inside. You can close your eyes while taking the breaths, or you can do it with your own eyes open. You can do it while you're walking, waiting in the line, shopping, or anywhere at any time you want. The most important thing to deliberately feel and the feeling of the air going in and out of the body. Breathe the way you naturally breathe, because this magical practice is not about breathing, but about gratitude for the air you breathe. If taking a bigger breath helps you to feel more gratitude, then do that. If it helps to make a sound or mentally say the magic words thank you as you breathe the air out, then do that. If you want, you can also do a variation of this practice in the future by imagining you are breathing in gratitude and filling yourself up with it with every breath you take. So she's saying that if you're taking bigger breaths, it helps you to feel more gratitude, then do that. यानी लंबी सांस लो, फिर छोड़ो, okay? And you can make a sound or mentally say the words thank you. So when you want, if you want, you can also do a variation of this practice by imagining that you are breathing in gratitude. तो जब आप सोचते हो, जब आप हवा ले रहे हो, तो आप बोलो कि मैं शुक्रगुजार हो रहा हूँ, ऐसे, and फिर छोड़ो. In ancient teachings, it is said that when a person reaches the point of being deeply grateful for the air that they breathe, their gratitude will have reached a new level of power. See, this book ऐसी डिजाइन की हुई है कि आपको वो पहले कमाई करने का सिखाती है, फिर आपको आपके ड्रीम्स तक लेके जाती है, और फिर उसको लेवल अप करने का सिखाती है. सो शी इज सेइंग कि एंशिएंट टाइम्स में लोग हवा को बहुत मानते थे और उसके लिए बहुत शुक्रगुजार होते थे. एंड their gratitude will have reached a new level of power, and they will have become the true alchemist, okay, who can effortlessly turn every part of their life into gold. आपका हर चीज abundance में हो जाएगा, okay? And they will have, what is the problem? Why is can everyone mute, please? Okay. You can hear me? Hello. Can you hear me?
Yes, we can hear you.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So magic practice number 23, the magical air that you breathe. Count your blessings, what we are doing every day, right? We say thank you, thank you, thank you after each blessings 5 times today. So today practices, you don't have to write much. You have to just write your blessings and do this practice of the taking the breath inside. Do it deliberately. Go out for 5 times if you want in the balcony if you're not going out today. take 5 deliberate breaths and feel the feeling of the air moving. So do one thing today, early in the morning. Now it's already 7 o'clock. When you go out after the session, go out and breathe. Then around 12 o'clock जाके देखो और एक जोर से ऐसे 5 सांसें लो, आपको डिफरेंस भी समझ में आएगा. फिर शाम को एक बार करो, again at 7 p.m. you do, and then late at night you do. You will understand yourself the difference in the air you're breathing also. So after you have taken the 5 breaths, say the magic words, thank you for the magical air that I breathe. Be as grateful as you can for the precious life-giving air that you breathe. Just before you go to sleep, you do the magic rock practice. So today what you need to go out in the fresh air, and just say, thank you, magical air I breathe. And the moment you start saying this, for few days, then you can also say that thank you, magical air, for fulfilling my this dream, whatever your dream is there. Okay? तो जैसे हमने सीखा था the magic ingredients की, we are talking to the food about a dream. Same thing you can do with the air. Whenever you go inside the air, when I go out, मैं जब जाती हूँ और कोई पहाड़ी इलाका होता है या फिर I go to the island or near the beach, like so I go like that and I open my hand and I'm open and receptive to all the abundance in my life. Then I breathe and I just tell to that water, to that air, okay, this is my dream. Thank you for fulfilling my dream. So try to do that. Try to connect with the nature, with the universe that way, and you will see the vast difference coming into your life. आपको खुद ही वो डिफरेंस पता चलेगा. Okay? Any questions from today's practice? Any questions coming from today's practice? Yes? Any questions coming from today's practice, please?
No.
No? Sure?
Yes.
Okay, all is well. Great. All is well. That's nice. Very, very,
Then,
very nice
see, I
line
would
we
like
have
to
learned.
share
All is
something,
well.
Maria.
All is well. So that's very good, whenever we are going down. So now we start with Ho'oponopono practice. So I hope you all have got notes, currency notes with you. Okay. So see, Ho'oponopono prayer is something which you can do even if you are practicing going to mandir, going to masjid, doing anything, you can practice Ho'oponopono prayer anytime, because that prayer helps you to cleanse. Basically, it is not related to any religion. It is not related to anything. So you just need to understand that this prayer is not going to affect your religion or anything. So this is what clarity I give every time when I do Ho'oponopono prayer, because some have beliefs that it will clash with my practices, religious practice. No, it is not going to affect you. See, when you are sick और कोई आपको बोलता है कि आप इधर जाओ, इससे अच्छा हो जाएगा, आप जाओगे ना? राइट? आप जाओगे.
Yes.
तो सेम थिंग, Ho'oponopono prayer is something which when I learned, like मैंने भी खुद विश्वास नहीं किया था उसके ऊपर. Then slowly when I started practicing, और जो मैंने उसके अंदर differences देखे, so it's been 4 to 5 years I have been practicing that now, and amazing results you get. यानी आपको अगर गुस्सा भी आ रहा है ना, आप इमीडिएटली वो अगर 4 सेंटेंसेस बोलते हो, आपका गुस्सा शांत हो जाता है. अगर सामने वाला गुस्सा हो रहा है, that time also if you use this sentences in your mind, आप सिर्फ बोलना चालू कर देते हो आपके माइंड में, सामने वाला भी शांत हो जाता है. मैंने पहले खुद एक्सपेरिमेंट्स किया बहुत सारे लोगों के साथ में, मेरे अपने लोगों के साथ में, मेरे फ्रेंड्स, मेरे रिलेटिव्स के साथ में, and then I am now able to share these experiences with you all. Now, and first I'll give you little understanding. There are new joinees also. So we had last session, but maybe I'll give little bit understanding. Ho'oponopono prayer is basically, if you go to see, cleansing होता है. उससे हम अपनी नेगेटिव एनर्जी को क्लियर करते हैं. हमारे पास बहुत सारी मेमोरीज होती है, बहुत सारी मेमोरीज यानी हमको बचपन से किसी ने मारा होगा, किसी ने, पिताजी ने कुछ बोल दिया होगा, मम्मी ने डांट दिया होगा, टीचर ने कुछ ऐसी चीज की होगी या बोली होगी जो हमको इतना डीप हर्ट कर गई है कि अभी हम अगर वो कोई स्टेप लेने को जाते हैं कि वो चीज, अरे तू तो कर ही नहीं सकता है, वो चीज बार बार याद आती है, या यू तू नकारा है, या तू ये, सो दीज थिंग्स अगेन सबकॉन्शियस माइंड में अपने गांठ बन के बैठी होती है. सो दोज थिंग्स वी रिमूव, नीड टू ओपन दोज ब्लॉक्स, दे आर कॉल्ड एज मेंटल ब्लॉक्स. तो ये जो मेंटल ब्लॉक्स होते हैं हमको क्लीन करने होते हैं, और ये क्लीनिंग टाइम लगता है. आप बोलोगे कि मैं एक बार कर लूं, दो बार नहीं, बट आप जितनी बार उसको प्रैक्टिस करते रहोगे, बोलते रहोगे, आप देखोगे. और मैं क्या बोलती हूँ कि आप मेरे बोलने से नहीं करना. आप जब बाहर जाते हो, आपके साथ में कोई इंसिडेंट होता है, जैसे मैंने तो ट्रैफिक जैम में भी ये यूज किया था. आई वॉज ऑन लोनावला विद माई सन, एंड वो ट्रैफिक जैम था हाईवे पे. अब मुझे ऐसा था हम कैसे निकलेंगे, तो मैंने सिर्फ वो बोलना चालू किया, आई एम सॉरी, प्लीज फॉरगिव मी, द रोड इज क्लियर, थैंक यू, आई लव यू. इतना बोलने से ही 5 मिनट में मेरा बेटे को क्या सूझा, उसने साइड में से गाड़ी निकाला था, और एकदम हम आगे तक पहुंच गए थे, एंड विद इन 2-3 मिनट्स वो आगे का क्लियर हुआ और हम बाहर निकल गए. नहीं तो हमको 1 घंटा लगता था एटलीस्ट, वो अगर हम एक लाइन में खड़े रहते. तो दैट इज हाउ द मैजिक हैपेंस विद दिस प्रेयर, यानी वो खुद आपको रास्ता लेके जाता है, खुद रास्ते निकालता है. यस शब्बीर जी.
Just fresh sharing about yesterday evening. After the evening prayers, we were rushing towards South Bombay. So it's from North Bombay to South Bombay. It's a long drive, but a lamba drive hai. So somewhere around Ghatkopar, there was one crane. You know how crane is. Crane is huge. Huge is not the word.
ओके.
That overturned on the highway.
ओ.
Okay, and you can imagine when the crane overturns, it has blocked the entire highway, and there was a bumper to bumper choco block. So this is exactly, believe you me, I didn't even, I say casually, maybe let's try this, yaar. Chalo dekhte hain. I did this Ho'oponopono. I'm sorry, and I said, chalo dekhte hain. And I kept on mentally telling, believe you me, in 5-10 minutes under Google Maps, एक alternate route दिखाया. It started showing an alternate route, and the policemen started, diverting the traffic exactly via that route. And in otherwise, we thought that we would be stuck for 3-4 hours. In 15 minutes, it started moving, and
Amazing.
they diverted us via. Of course, it was a detour. It's a long detour, but we managed to reach South Bombay on time for our whatever practice we wanted to. So it definitely, it's like, when you have, like, as they say, when we were bachpan mein, my mother used to say one word, that faith can move mountains.
Yes. See, that is why I said, that is why I said कि मैं बोल रही हूँ उसके लिए मत करो. आप खुद का एक्सपीरियंस क्रिएट करो. आप बिलीव, तभी आपका बिलीफ सिस्टम ये चीज पे बढ़ेगा ना. बिकॉज सी व्हेन यू स्टार्ट एक्सपीरियंसेस दिस टाइप ऑफ एक्सपीरियंस, तभी आपका बिलीफ सिस्टम बढ़ता है. नहीं तो सिर्फ अरे मारिया ने बोला है तो हम थोड़ी करेंगे, राइट? तो यू हैव टू स्टार्ट बिलीविंग कि ये होगा. एंड व्हेन यू डू इट ना, आई एम रियली टेलिंग यू, बहुत छोटी छोटी चीजों के लिए होता है. और सबसे बेस्ट, when anyone is suffering from any disease, sorry, any breakdown, I should not speak disease, any breakdown, so that time, if you use this for anyone also, because if you are continuous into this practice, then it will help you to clear any. So basically Ho'oponopono prayer क्या होता है कि you are taking the responsibility, you're not blaming anyone. आप वो रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी खुद ले रहे हो कि आपकी जिंदगी में अभी जो भी हो रहा है, या जो भी सर्कमस्टेंसेस, सपोज मेरा बॉस मुझे चिल्ला रहा है, राइट? तो वो जो भी हो रहा है वो उसका क्रिएशन मैंने किया है इन माई थॉट्स. I have created that, right? So that is why you are giving, clearing it. You are doing a clearing for it. तो उसमें sentences होते हैं that I am sorry. Sorry का मतलब होता है that you are getting aware now कि हाँ ठीक है ये हो गया है, या ये सामने वाला person बहुत गुस्सा हो रहा है. So you are being into awareness. Please forgive me means you are taking the responsibility कि इसकी sole responsibility मैं लेता हूँ, मैं खुद ही इसके लिए जिम्मेदार हूँ. Thank you means that you are saying thank you to the universe for helping you to clean this, this process. Whatever you're speaking, I love you means self-love and the love for the universe. Okay, तो ये 4 sentences हम बोल सकते हैं.
And I would like to add one more thing. What I realize is, what it makes you do exactly is, when you start practicing, or whichever way you do it, it takes your mind off from that particular challenge.
Right. Right.
Huh?
Because
And it just takes you off, and otherwise you keep pondering, and it keeps churning in your mind. Kabhi pochenge, kabhi pochenge, kabhi pochenge. So you just divert your mind, and believe you me,
yes.
the stress level is out.
Yes.
Stress levels are out, and background में जो गाना चल रहा था, started enjoying the song.
Yes, that is what the magic of this prayer, that is why I'm propagating it, because I have really magical diary है मेरे पास, जिसमें मैंने सब experiences लिखे हैं कि how many times I've used it for skin disease of my daughter, divorce of my brother, everything. उनका divorce रुक गया था जो कोर्ट में गया हुआ था, तो like it is, you can use this for anything, especially अगर आपको कोई काम भी कराना है ना, आपको डर लग रहा है कि मैं कैसे बात करूंगा, बड़ा अथॉरिटी है या बड़ा कोई बॉस है, या you can first only say, that I'm talking very well to this person. ये बोल के, I'm sorry, please forgive me, I'm getting what I want. So this is what this basically, it clears all the negative energy. वो path में जो रहेगी, it cleans all the negative energy. Okay. So here, when you are recognizing, like when you're saying sorry, you're recognizing and accepting the responsibility. You're saying कि चलो ठीक है, मैं अब ये चीज हो रही है या ये लाइफ में आई है, तो ये जो रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है, ये मैंने क्रिएट की है, ये मेरे इमोशंस है, ये मेरे एक्शन है. सो आई एम गोइंग टू से सॉरी फॉर दैट. Okay, please forgive me helps you to say that, that I'm requesting you that, universe, that you are giving me this time to clean it. So that is how this Ho'oponopono prayer works. So what you're going to start doing is, today, we are going to do Ho'oponopono prayer for money. Okay. So you have to take the money in the hand. So before I start the music, first we'll take the money in the hand. No, because then maybe you will not be able to hear much with the music. And मुझे please एक जन बोलना कि अगर music बहुत ज़्यादा loud रहा तो. Okay. So just take this money in your hand like that, and just say, I'm sorry, money. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry, money. I did not realize the value of you. Sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry, money. मैंने हमेशा ये सोचा कि मेरे पास कमी है. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry, money. आप मेरे पास हर रूप में आए हो, but I still feel that I have a lack. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry, money. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry, money. ऐसे बहुत बार हुआ है कि I have not been able to save money, और मैं उसके लिए हमेशा guilty feel करता रहा हूँ. I'm sorry, money. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry, money, for not taking care of you or not valuing you and spending you where it was not necessary. I'm sorry, money. Please forgive me for not increasing the circle of money, which I now feel, yes, ki give and take is important. So thank you. Thank you, money, for all that you have given to me in my life. Thank you for all the money I have in my life. Right from my childhood till now, I have been given money, but I still felt the lack. So I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. So we are going to now chant only by keep the money in your hand. Okay, keep the money in your hand. And you can keep your hands on your lap also if you want. Keep your hands on your lap and close your eyes, and I will be keeping on repeating 108 times. I'm sorry, dear money, I'm sorry, please forgive me. Thank you, I love you. Okay. And you can speak in your mind, or you can at least hear it. Right? Before I start this, just let me know if the volume is okay. I think you cannot hear the volume, right? Maybe now.
No music.
We can't hear.
Now you can hear? Now you can hear my volume?
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Close your eyes. Keep the money in your hands. Dear money, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Dear money, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Dear money, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Dear money, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Dear money, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Dear money, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Dear money, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Dear money, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Dear money, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Dear money, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Dear money, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Dear money, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Dear money, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Dear money, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Dear money, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Dear money, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Dear money, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Dear money, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Dear money, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Dear money, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Dear money, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Dear money, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Dear money, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Dear money, I'm sorry for creating lack in my mind. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Dear money, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Dear money, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Dear money, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Dear money, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Dear money, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Dear money, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Dear money, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Dear money, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Dear money, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Dear money, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Dear money, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Dear money, I'm sorry for creating the lack in my mind. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Dear money, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Dear money, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Dear money, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Dear money, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Dear money, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Dear money, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Dear money, I'm sorry for creating lack in my mind. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Dear money, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Dear money, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Dear money, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Dear money, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Dear money, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Dear money, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Dear money, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Dear money, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Dear money, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Dear money, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Dear money, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Dear money, I'm sorry for creating lack in my mind. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Dear money, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Dear money, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Dear money, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Dear money, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Dear money, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Dear money, please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Dear money, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Dear money, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Dear money, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Dear money, I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. Dear money, I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Dear money, I am sorry. I love you. Dear money, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Dear money, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Dear money, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Dear money, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Dear money, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Dear money, I'm sorry for holding you in my safe. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Dear money, I'm sorry for not circulating the money. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Dear money, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Dear money, I'm sorry. Thank you. I money. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. You can now open your eyes and tell me how is the feeling. How are you feeling now with regards to money?
Wow, great.
So this money today, what you have charged and cleared with the energy, don't just keep it with you. You can circulate it when you're buying vegetables. So when you're giving it, just say, in your mind कि उसके घर में बरकत हो. You can give it to the poor, buy something and give it to the poor. Okay? You can do that also.
Okay.
Right? But use the money. I mean, don't keep it. Use the money even if you're buying some grocery, vegetables, anything. Give it to them. And then when you're giving it in your mind, just be very thankful for that money. And be thankful that I'm capable, that I have that much money, that I can buy things. I can buy. Right? You are that capable that at least आप खाना तो ले पा रहे हो, आप खाना तो खरीद पा रहे हो, आप vegetables तो खरीद पा रहे हो. Right? There are unfortunate who cannot do that also. So be thankful. Whenever you are buying something ना, अपने आप को इतना चौड़ा करके बोलो कि मैं इतना केपेबल हूँ कि मैं ये चीज खरीद पा रहा हूँ, मैं इतना केपेबल हूँ कि मैं इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बिल पे कर पा रहा हूँ. So the moment you start feeling inside, that you are capable of doing, आप देखोगे आपके पास abundance. क्योंकि जो लक्ष्मी माता होती है ना, ये वाली अपनी, तो वो बोलती है कि हाँ भाई, ये तो अच्छे तरीके से मुझे मेरे लिए शुक्रगुजार हो रहा है. चलो, लेट्स गिव मोर. सो यूनिवर्स स्टार्ट्स गिविंग यू मोर. So the more happy you are, in spending, learn to spend also. Create, that is called circle of money. If you will not create a circle of money, आपके पास पैसा नहीं आता है. If you see these Ambanis and all this, they are spending money. वो इतना दान पुण्य भी करते हैं, वो इतनी चीजों में इन्वॉल्व होते हैं. Why? Because they have understood that circle of money. कि मनी फ्लो होगा तो मनी ज्यादा आएगा, मनी फ्लो होगा तो मनी ज्यादा आएगा. राइट? वो ऐसा फिरता है. आप दोगे आप लोगे, आप दोगे आप लोगे, ऐसा होता है. राइट? So the moment you're giving money, say go with love, grow with love. And also, so whenever you're receiving money, receive it very happily. एक बात, जब भी आपको कोई गरीब दिखता है और आपको कभी कभी ऐसा होता है ना कि यू डोंट वांट टू गिव मनी. राइट? आपका दिल नहीं होता कि भाई ये तो कोई और चीज में यूज करेगा. दैट इज हिज डेस्टिनी. आपका काम है सिर्फ देना. बट अगर आपके मन में थोड़ा सा भी, अभी जैसे कोई रिलेटिव ने एक हेल्प मांगी पैसे की, राइट? एंड सॉरी, आपने, आपके मन में आया, अरे मैं दे तो दूंगा पर ये वापस देगा क्या नहीं मुझे पता नहीं. राइट? अगर ये भावना आपके मन में आ जाती है ना, तो नहीं देना. देन डोंट गिव. वेन यू आर गिविंग टू अ बेगर ऑल्सो, अगर आपके मन में ऐसा आता है कि नहीं ये कोई चीज में यूज करेगा, डोंट गिव. बिकॉज दैट टाइम योर इमोशंस आर नॉट पॉजिटिव विथ मनी. सो मनी इज एनर्जी. रिमेंबर, मनी इज एनर्जी. सो अगर आप दे रहे हो, मेक इट अ पॉइंट दैट यू आर गिविंग इट विद गुड माइंडसेट. और अगर आपका दिल नहीं हो रहा है ना, सपोज आप रुक गए ट्रैफिक सिग्नल पे एंड वो मांग रहा है बट आपका दिल नहीं हो रहा है देने का, मत दीजिए. इट्स ओके. डोंट गिव. बट पैसे हाथ में रख के उसको किट किट करके मत दो. ओके? व्हेन यू आर गिविंग, यू शुड हैव अ वेरी क्लियर पॉजिटिव माइंडसेट कि चलो ये इसको इसको हेल्प करेगा, ये मेरा जो भी पैसा जा रहा है उसको उसको हेल्प करेगा. बट अगर आपके माइंड में थोड़ा सा भी डाउट आता है ना कि ये रिलेटिव ने मेरे पास से पैसे मांगे, मुझे उसको हेल्प नहीं करना है, या मेरा मन नहीं हो रहा है देने का, डोंट गिव. Really don't give, because if you are not having a good mindset with the money when you are giving, that money will not go to that person in the right way also. Okay? So do that. Right? And share your experiences like that only, because it helps. It helps us, कि yes, this miracles are happening. So learn to do that. Okay? Do the miracles. Create miracles in your life.
Sure.
Any question coming to your mind? Anything else? So I tried to end up, wow, thank you. Thank you. I tried to end up, the session on time so that, today's Sunday also, I know many obligations are there and you have to move, go out. So that is why I said I will not take the recap of the chapters today. Sorry. So I hope you have had a good experience. So just share the money, circulate that money today, what you have charged and cleared with your energy. So we'll end the session.
Yes.
No questions.
Yes.
Ma'am, lots of love and blessings.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank you. So thank you everyone for joining. Thanks.
Thank you. Happy Sunday to everyone.
Same to you. So thank you everyone.
Thank
God
you.
bless you.
God bless
With
you all
all
of you.
that you
Thank you.
require. That is why I say with all that you require. So what is necessary comes to you.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you for joining. God bless you all.
Have a nice day, all of you.
Same to
Bye.
you. Bye.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye.